Hello everybody, happy Tuesday. So today we're going to work on our summative for our African unit. Remember, this is summative, so you want to make sure that you're putting your time and effort into it. You're not rushing through it because, again, it is summative. I introduced this to you yesterday, but just as a reminder, you are going to decide if the African resistance to colonization was successful or not. Your first step is you're going to look through these documents and collect evidence about whether or not the resistance was successful. So right up here, it says click here if you want it read out loud to you. Feel free to use the headphones from behind my desk if you do not have your own and you would like to listen to the readings. Along the right-hand side, it shows you some vocab words that you might not know, so use those to your advantage. Your job is to read the document and then fill out this chart here. So it says, according to document 1, the resistance was blank, so you're going to fill that in with successful or unsuccessful, and then you're going to tell me why, based on what you read in the reading. So you're going to pull evidence from the reading to fill out this chart. You're going to continue doing that for each of the documents, all the way through document 6, and then you are going to write a paragraph, and you're going to make your conclusion on whether or not that you think that the African resistance to European colonization was successful or not. Your first job is your rough draft. So it says the African resistance to European colonization was blank. You're going to decide your opinion, successful or unsuccessful. You're going to use the documents to help support your topic sentence, so 3 different documents, and you're going to write a concluding sentence. Then you're going to take that and you're going to type in your box your paragraph. To earn a 4, you need to quote an additional source or pull an additional piece of information from a source that you already used. Okay? You have all of today and all of tomorrow to work on this, okay? So don't feel like you have to get through the paragraph part today. You also have tomorrow to work on this, all right? Again, this is summative. There's a rubric up here to help guide you. Remember, take your time. It is summative. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow.